It's the Land Rover Perentie, or 110, Defender 110, main lighting switch, and it's not working because the common here, it's okay on this terminal, but this terminal back here, there's too much corrosion or something between the terminal, and when you go to switch it over like it is shown there now, there's no voltage transfer to the headlights. So I haven't got any headlights. So I'm just going to try and temporarily repair that. I've got another switch on order, but I might just see if I can solder it across or re-rivet it or something. As you can see here, I've polished it with about a 1200 grit. It does actually come up nice. Doesn't show it that well, but is actually quite nice. And now I'll give it a coat of Vaseline jelly, and that'll stop any corrosion occurring, because I've taken off a little bit of tinning on that middle post, which is the low voltage one, but or the low amperage one, and that'll do till I get the new switch, or until it buggers up and I decide to put the new switch in. There we go, all back together. I've put a little bit of hot glue in there because I had to break some of the die cast tabs off, but it's all perfect now. It was re-riveted and re-soldered, and it works perfectly. And continuity's okay, so about time I threw it back in and see how she runs. There we go, there's the new switch in here. And look, she seems to work. Parkers, lights, and oh, lights work again. How about that, eh? Miracles will never cease. Even the Parkers work. Amazing. So that switch will be alright until I get the other one, or as I said, I'll probably be too bloody lazy and wait until it stuffs up before I change it. But anyway, next time I've got the dash out, I'll sorry about the light, it's not real good at this time of night. Put it all back together now.